Post-construction termite treatment and repair of infested interior finishes requires both targeted pest control and careful finish carpentry restoration to fully resolve damage from Drywood and Formosan termites. Start by conducting a systematic inspection and mapping of all affected cabinetry and trim using a probing awl and flashlight to locate galleries and entry points. Then prioritize items by structural importance and finish value for treatment or replacement. For localized infestations, remove the infested millwork in a controlled manner and apply a borate or approved termiticide to exposed cavities following label directions and allowing proper dwell time for penetration. For inaccessible voids, perform localized injection of a non-repellent or foaming termiticide into cavities using a flexible injection wand to distribute product along galleries without excessive demolition. When treating, protect finishes nearby with drop cloths and use thin application tips to avoid staining veneered surfaces. Always ventilate the area and follow product re-entry intervals. After eradication, evaluate whether sanding and refinishing will restore appearance without exposing new wood to risk. For heavily damaged trim or cabinetry, replace with naturally resistant species such as cedar or redwood, or use pressure-treated or composite trim where humidity and termite pressure are high. When reinstalling repaired or new millwork, seal all joints and fastener penetrations with a compatible sealant and install discrete physical barriers like stainless steel mesh at critical junctions to reduce future intrusion. Keep clear documentation of treated locations, products used, and repair notes so future inspections can verify efficacy and so homeowners understand maintenance needs. Common mistakes include assuming surface staining or frass alone means termites are eliminated, which can lead to untreated hidden galleries. The remedy is a thorough probing and follow-up inspection after treatment to confirm absence of activity. Another issue is overconfident cosmetic repair without addressing remaining infestation, which reintroduces risk. Fix this by treating or removing infested members first and delaying refinishing until inspections confirm no live activity. Third, using incompatible finishes or sealants over recently applied termiticides can trap moisture or interfere with adhesion. Avoid this by allowing full cure times per product labels and test a small area before full refinishing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share experiences and practical tips on termite treatment and finish repairs. We help contractors find work by giving them visibility to homeowners looking for carpentry and pest control services, while our community lets both sides discuss methods, costs, and local conditions.